Oh, the magpie's quite a bird. He makes sure his voice is heard. He warbles in the wattle trees all day. In the bush he is a battler. He's not frightened to attack you and suggest it's time that you were on your way. He's not flashy, he's not bright. He sees things in black and white. And his nest is like a western suburbs home. Nothing fancy, just fibro, where you raise some kids, you know. The kind of place from which you wouldn't roam. There's a magpie flock I know, who are always on the go. They nested first at Ashfield's Pratton Park. Then they started moving west, made Lidcombe their next nest, and ended up out at Arana Park. When it's really do or die, then you see the feathers fly. Seagull feathers, rooster feathers too. But sea eagle feathers are best when you feather in your nest. And that's just what the magpies plan to do. Well, several years ago, their numbers got quite low. They'd suffered many seasons from a drought. So they took their case to court, dug in their claws and fought to stop the blokes who tried to wipe them out. For as all bird watchers know, the magpie has a go at anything that comes too near his nest. Said the judge, a wise old owl, they're a protected species now, with a home of their own out in the west. Now their Roman days are done, they've stopped following the sun. They're welcome out where other battlers dwell. And once they settle down and get their feet on solid ground, they can really give the silvertail some hell. For when it's really do or die, then you see the feathers fly. Seagull feathers, rooster feathers too. But sea eagle feathers are best when you feather in your nest. And that's just what the magpies plan to do. At Campbelltown, that's just what magpies do.